Hello everyone, I'm Zidane. Today we're going to talk about one of the biggest and most influential topics in the world of technology, the new breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, or AI, that are now transforming almost every industry worldwide. From healthcare, economics, manufacturing to entertainment, these developments bring huge opportunities, but also serious challenges. Let's break it down. Several major tech companies have just released a new generation of AI systems that are much faster, more efficient, and capable of understanding context in a way that is very close to human reasoning. This technology is not just about chatbots or simple automation tools. These new AI systems can analyze complex data in seconds, generate creative ideas such as designs, music, and film scripts, support large-scale scientific research, and make decisions based on billions of data points in real time. Analysts describe this advancement as the biggest leap in AI in the last 20 years. With these capabilities, global industries are entering a new era called the intelligent automation era, where machines don't just follow orders, they understand, predict, and adapt like humans. One of the sectors that feels this impact the most is healthcare. This new generation of AI can now predict diseases like cancer and heart conditions with higher accuracy than traditional methods, read MRI, CT scans, and X-rays up to 10 times faster, and help discover new drugs by analyzing millions of chemical combinations in a short time. Some hospitals in Europe and Asia have even started using AI to plan surgeries, calculate risks, and determine the safest treatment options. Experts say this technology could significantly increase patient safety, especially in countries with a shortage of medical professionals. In the world of manufacturing and industry, the latest AI can make production processes far more efficient. For example, factories can detect machine failures before they happen, robots can work with greater precision in assembling components, and companies can reduce operational costs by tens of %. Meanwhile, in customer service, AI can now understand user emotions, respond faster, and serve thousands of people simultaneously without reducing quality. Because of this, many companies are adopting AI systems to increase profits and productivity. In the entertainment industry, this new generation of AI is now being used to create movies, music, animation, and digital content automatically. Examples include creating characters and visual effects for blockbuster films, producing original music that mimics the style of specific artists, and generating animated videos and automatic narration for YouTube content. Some major studios say AI can speed up production by up to 70%, helping the entertainment industry grow even faster. However, this also raises debates about copyright and the future of creative jobs. Behind all this progress, there are major concerns about data privacy and security, the misuse of deepfake technology, the potential manipulation of information, and the loss of millions of jobs due to automation. For these reasons, many countries are drafting new regulations for AI usage. The goal is to ensure the technology remains safe, transparent, and not misused. The European Union, for example, is developing the AI Act, one of the strictest regulations designed to control how companies develop and use AI. As the demand for experts grows, several top universities around the world are launching new programs, such as AI ethics, AI law and policy, and advanced AI engineering. The goal is to train a new generation of professionals who not only understand the technology, but also the social, moral, and legal implications behind it. And that's a complete overview of how the latest breakthroughs in AI are transforming the world. The progress is incredibly fast. offering enormous opportunities, but also major challenges that we must face together. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next update.